Well, hello everyone. Fried Crucian carp. This is the case when you arrive to a ready-made. And you get a lot of pleasure. Today we close the summer season. I'll be chomping on camera. Without looking. Wonderful. Well, the weather today is more or less Savelia. Guys behind the scenes. Mosquitoes today. In all directions. Had a great time. Well, for now everything seems to have calmed down. In general, how will events develop? We'll show again. Fried Crucian carp. Kuban River. Here are the bottles from where these float. Where from is who brought them on us. Freaks, look over there, 1/2 damn. Mine. You fucking idiots, can't you take away the trash? Here you go, take it. I catch tons of bream like this. Yes, as the classic said, yes, I always catch tons of them. Look, there's half a ton, ha ha. On. Oops, you want a... Envy silently. When are we going to let him go? We say such things. And such carps. Hundreds. This is exactly the 100th yes. Since he is the 100th, we let go yes always. So we were left alone with Arcady. The noisy company left us. What do they say goodbye to? Ha ha. And to the question why I go fishing again. There are a hell of a lot of mosquitoes today, but I guess I'll let you just watch and even listen. Why I go fishing. To Kuban, just listen. I mean, I'll leave the frame and listen to the atmosphere itself. Why are we fishing? Silence is just silence. When you come somewhere from far away, you have birds. Somewhere far away, ha, a mosquito is crawling nearby. That's probably the whole point. When you come from the city and all this hustle and bustle, do you feel yourself? It's hard to describe. What do you feel at the same time, but such peace? I'm looking nearby. Near a recorder flies 2 mosquitoes. I can imagine how it will be heard, of course, on the post already, but here there is still some thrill in it. Be artificial mosquitoes. Of course, it's not a special thrill, but need to go. Well, yes, the current in Kuban is actually powerful. By the way, we are in such a situation. Narrow place. Look how he drags the fishing rod. Yes, in such a narrow place. By the way, the depth here is great. There is a lot of water in Kuban. And such pressure is specific capital. That's why the load here is sometimes 120, 150 grams blows away. Just 2 at a time. To be honest, I don't know what happened to this place, but there are just a hell of a lot of mosquitoes. This is just some kind of horror. They stick around like dogs. Yes, that's all. He'll ask why anyway. There is no footage of how the fish is caught. I won't say that it doesn't exist. But this is really some kind of special place. Narrow river. Deep place. And the top water is just annoying. Filmed near the top water bleak as they call it there. It's different everywhere. And it really does reach different distances. At least you throw it in the middle. There is really a depth there, probably 4 meters. She's both on top and on the bottom. And here is the maggot. This is some kind of crazy thing. That is, you throw it in. You constantly have a crush on different distances. He says that I can throw at least 30 meters. Here right under your feet the effect is absolutely the same. Nothing clear, nothing useful here. No, well. This is corn maggot. So bites. Something is going on there. Here it stands and that's all. The worm will swim here. Here's a slob. Well, what's there to film? So we wait. We lure. I hope. Something is going to change now. Well, in terms of that, the time of day has changed. Probably now. It's 6 o'clock in the area now. I don't even know, well, judging by condition, because we have some kind of thunderstorm front hanging over our heads and it's difficult to determine the time. So we wait and entice. It's unbearable. There are so many mosquitoes that we decided to light a fire right on the shore. Because at least there is smoke. There's a dog sitting on the nose. There they fly. At least somehow drive away these freaks, but because it's unbearable here, we don't want to burn in the forest, because now, 4th class of fire hazard. And since on the shore, in case of anything. Very convenient here is a bucket of water river. That is, it can be extinguished immediately therefore. Let's assume that we are not breaking the law. Although open flames are prohibited. But we don't have a barbecue. The choice is not rich. Well, mosquitoes just eat them. It's really unbearable. It's just impossible. Here's at least some kind of fire. We'll improve the situation. We hope. What a mosquito now. You can also throw in some damp branches, so that they know Lily at least, and then, well, yes, so that. Type. Well, there will be smoke, yes. Just don't make it big. So clean for a smoky situation. Yes, they really do not. Repellents don't help at all. Won't republish at all. Neither this nor Gardex are extreme at all. Well, nothing helps. So we'll experiment. Yes. Take off, he says me. Choose me. Fell twice while carrying firewood. And sober at that. Yeah, it's slippery there, some kind of clay. Well, what do you ask? What about fishing? Oh well. We've had rain since this morning. He was there, in principle, according to the forecast, but we didn't expect it so quickly. We didn't catch anything during the night. As well as for the morning. At 7 a.m. we are already heading back home. There was nothing to film. There was absolutely nothing to speak of. We didn't catch anything at all. It is still unclear to us why. How did the summer season end? No way. It continues. Yes, it continues. Yes, fishing continues. The filming will be there for autumn fishing. I think there will be roach there. We will plan. So, time will tell how events will develop. On the channel bypass.